Hey there guys, my name is Brian and today I am going to demonstrate stitches. Now, to be able to do stitches, you need a hook and you need some yarn. So this is a hook right here, and as you can see at the edge, there's like a little bit of a hook there. So this is an actual 8. They're all different sizes, and so I'm going to be using H for this demonstration. Now to start off, you need a knot, and some people do their knots differently. So the way I'm going to be doing it for today is I'm going to stick my fingers in there and then twirl it, and then grab a hold of this here, with the fingers, and then pull. This is how you're going to get your knot. Okay, so now what you do is get your hook and stick it in there, and then pull a little bit. Leave a little slack. Move this down a little bit. A little slack, and you take your yarn, wrap it around so that it's hooking onto the hook, and then pull. That's your first chain. My cat's driving me nuts. And then you do it again. This is what you call chains. 2. Go around, pull. That's 3. Grab around, 4. As you can see that there's, let me do a few of them more. I'm going to do this really fast. So as you can see, you got a bunch of loops there, and they're chained. So now what you do is that you're going to go to your next row. Let me add a little bit more there. Okay. Now what you do, in order to get to the next line, skip. This is going to be a single crochet. So you're going to do 2. You're going to count 2 from the chain. So the actual one that's on the hook is 1, and then you have 2 there, and you go to the next one, and then you grab you stick your hook in there, the second chain, and then grab around the yarn, and then pull, and so you'll have 2 loops. And then what you do is you grab the hold of the yarn, wrap it around, and then pull it with the 2 loops. So let me just show you. So let me do this again. My cat's going nuts here. So what you do is, I'll bring this down more. Okay, so next one, you stick your hook into the next loop, wrap this around, bring it up, so you'll have 2 loops. Next is wrap it around, and then pull with 2 loops. That's your second single crochet. So let me add a few more there. Stick your hook in there, wrap it around, pull up, you'll have your 2 loops, wrap it around, and then draw the 2 loops. So let's do that. Next, what I'm going to do is let me see, a half crochet, or better yet, a slip stitch. Let's make it a double crochet. I'm just speeding this up so that I can get to the end. So this is your single crochets. Okay, so now you are going to do a double crochet. So what you do is take your hook. First you're going to turn it around and going to start with 3 single crochets or single chains. So you got, wrap this around, 1, wrap it around, 2, wrap it around, 3. This will be your first double crochet. So you go into your next stitch. So what you do is wrap it around first and go into your next chain, wrap it around, bring it up. You'll have 3 loops. So what you do next is wrap it around and then you draw 2 loops. 1, and you do it again. Wrap it around and draw all 2 loops. Let's do this again. Wrap it around, go to your next stitch, wrap it around, pull up, you'll have your 3 loops, draw it around, pull 2 loops, and then do it again. Wrap it around and draw the other 2 loops. So let's do this. Wrap it around, pull up, draw 2, draw 2. Wrap it around, put it through the next stitch, draw up, wrap it around, pull 2 loops, wrap it around, pull 2 loops. So let's do this. Let's finish this up. Now, the next one is a half double crochet. So let's see. I'll show you what double crochet looks like. Whoops. Okay. This is what your double crochets looks like. So you got your single crochets on the first, and you got your next one is double crochets. Now the next one is going to be a half double crochet. So you turn this around. This time you're going to just wrap it around once and then draw the 1 loop. That will be your first double crochet. So you're just going to do the same thing with double crochets, but instead you're going to wrap it around, go to your next stitch, put it through there, wrap it around, pull up. Then instead of doing 2, you're going to wrap all 3 loops. So you're going to wrap it around and draw all 3. Okay, so let's do this again. Wrap it around, go to your next chain, wrap it around, pull up, and I'll draw all 3 loops. Wrap it around, put it through there, next stitch, wrap it around, pull up, and all 3 loops. So let's finish this off. The next one is, I'll be showing you this first. So at the end, when you see this dangling, you're going to wrap it around and you're just going to go to that next stitch, wrap it around, and then draw the 3 loops. So this is what it's going to be like. That's your next. Okay, so now you're going to turn this around. Turn this around. So you're going to go to, let me see, single, double, half, triple crochets. So you're going to do 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you're going to do with this is you're going to go to your next chain, wrap it around twice. 1, 2. Then what you're going to do is that you're going to put in your next stitch, wrap it around, pull up, and then draw 2 loops twice. So 1, 2, or better yet 3 times. 3 times. So wrap it around twice, stick in the next chain, pull up, and then do 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Wrap around twice, put it through there, up, pull two loops with 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So let's finish this off. These are your basic chains that you'll see. I crochet pretty fast if I wanted to. So whoops, I've been doing a double crochet. So let me see here. Okay. Wrap it around twice, put it through there, wrap it around, pull up, grab 2 loops, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's finish the last 3. Alright. Okay. So this is what your triple crochet looks like. Hope you guys are understanding this demonstration. So I'm gonna leave this here for now. Hope you be able to understand this demonstration, and we'll catch you guys soon.